So today I'll be doing activity 3, TCRT 5000. So first thing is write the name on the checklist. Do it here. Next is to draw the schematic. So we come here. Let's start with our power. Positive and negative. This will be 6 volts coming through. It'll come up. So this is TRT 5000 here. And now we have our first resistor coming in. This is 220 ohm resistor. And this middle one here is the 10 kilo ohm resistor. So now we can tick off, we have drawn the schematic. Next we'll build a circuit and explain. First I'll just explain what this is. This is the TCRT 5000. It is also an infrared sensitive transistor. As you can see, you might not be able to see, there's a small tint on this right hand side with blue. So when it is all put together, you won't be able to see it on the iPhone because of the camera, but it should light up. So our next part is to build the circuit. We'll explain the circuit connections. So first things first, we have our multimeter here set to 6 volts. Set to 6 volts. Just use the fine tune there to make sure it's 6. And then we can move down to the circuit. I have the negative connection and the negative sides here, and the positive into the positive. First things first, we can use 220 ohm resistor, and we will connect it up into the negative here, and we will use number 4 on this side. So that has been connected. We will now move on to use our 10 kilo ohm resistor. Connect this on the same socket. So it's there connected, we can now move on to TCRT 5000. As you can see, the blue tint on the right hand side here. This is also an infrared sensitive transistor. So you'll make sure to put them in different. Make sure to keep them in line, in the same, because that's the only way they'll be connected. And now on the other side, connect these in. So we have this connected now. Next thing to do is to get a wire, connect it on this rail. And once it's on this rail, we can connect it in line with the socket, so they're now connected. So then finally we will just take this wire, put it just in here, and connect it into here. Making sure that they're all in line with each other, so the circuit is complete. You can now tick off, build the circuit while explaining the circuit connections, and we'll use the appropriate wire. So the next thing for us to do is to test the circuit. We're using these bland leads connected up to here. We click volts on the multimeter. So we now connect this onto this rail. We can do it just here. It doesn't really matter as long as it's anywhere up the rail. So we get the red cable. Put it just in here. So now, if I'm to put my finger over this TCRT 5000, this should jump. Yeah. So now we have tested the circuit as explained. We can tick this off. Next is relate the nodes on the schematic to the breadboard circuit. So the final thing for us to do is to relate the nodes on the schematic to the breadboard circuit. So if we look here at the schematic, we come up, here's our first node here, and that is positive, because it is connected to the positive sign. It is just here on the board. This is the node here. And our second node is down the bottom here, just on the 10 kilo ohm and the 220 ohm, sorry, rail. So this is just here down the bottom. So that is us finished for today. I've just related the nodes and schematic to the breadboard circuit. And the checklist has been shown and updated during the video. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one.